If you've ever had a slice of a really good pie at a diner, get your taste buds ready for a real treat. Because today, we're making a from-scratch diner-style coconut cream pie that's so good you won't be able to contain your excitement. And did I mention it's easy too? To make it, all we do is combine some milk, a few eggs, a good amount of coconut, and some sugar in a saucepan. That's the stuff that's going to make this pie crazy delicious. To that, we add a bit of flour, butter, vanilla, a pinch of salt, and we cook this over medium heat until it thickens up. Once it does, we pour it into a pie crust that we just baked, and into the fridge it goes to chill. When it cools, we'll top it with whipped cream and toasted coconut, and it's done. One bite of the homemade filling sandwiched between the creamy whipped topping and the flaky pie crust, and nothing else will matter. To get the recipe for our coconut cream pie, all you need to do is go to our website. You might even want to print out a few extra copies while you're online, because there's a pretty good chance that anyone who tries this will want to get a copy for themselves. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a super creamy and coconutty way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.